In this guide, we'll connect Honeygain with JumpTask. If you're new to either platform, I'll quickly explain everything you need to know. But if you already know both and just want the setup, jump straight in at this time frame. So let's begin then. What is Honeygain? Honeygain is an internet bandwidth sharing platform that lets you earn passive income by sharing your unused internet connection. And also, if you don't know what JumpTask is, it's a microtask platform that lets you earn by completing small tasks, like visiting websites, engaging on social media, and many other tasks. Okay, let's continue with Honeygain first. So here's how it works. After signing up with Honeygain, the first thing you need to do is download and install the Honeygain app on your device. So you can use either the mobile app, the desktop application, or both, depending on your devices. And after you install the application, log into it, and you can enable internet sharing there. So let's see it. Here is the Honeygain desktop app. Log into it, and click on the profile icon. And here in Settings, enable sharing. Okay, then let's see the mobile app. If you're using a mobile device, the download option might not appear on your Honeygain dashboard after you log in. In that case, you can download it directly from the Honeygain homepage before you log in. After installing the APK, log into the app, tap on More, then go to Settings, and enable sharing. Also, you can adjust the other settings here. And after sharing 5 megabytes worth of bandwidth, you can claim daily lucky pots, which give you extra Honeygain credits. Let's claim it. Just to know, 1,000 Honeygain credits equals $1, so we just claimed 1 cent in value. And there's also a chance to win up to 100,000 credits, which is equal to $100. So, let's check Honeygain transaction history. Here are the credits we just claimed. And here, the other transferred credits to JumpTask, including bonuses. Well then, let's check this out on JumpTask. Here's the current balance. Refresh the page. And 1 cent worth of credits has been added to the balance. So there are 2 modes in Honeygain, Honeygain mode and JumpTask mode. In Honeygain mode, you can withdraw your balance to PayPal or as jump tokens to your crypto wallet, but the minimum threshold is $20, which usually takes longer to reach. On the other hand, in JumpTask mode, you don't have to wait that long. Your credits will be transferred directly into your JumpTask account, just like we saw earlier. And the minimum threshold is only 0.5 jump tokens, which is about 50 to 60 cents depending on the token value. Plus, you also get a 10% bonus when using JumpTask mode, so it's a better way to cash out faster. So, those are the key benefits you get with JumpTask mode. And you can connect up to 10 devices with separate network connections to the same account, which helps increase your earnings. For example, you can use your PC with your home Wi-Fi and your smartphone with mobile data. And if you use a desktop device, you'll also receive an extra 30% bonus. Okay then, now let's see how to connect Honeygain with JumpTask. First, click on the profile icon, and then go to Profile Settings. Scroll down to the My Wallet section, and here under JumpTask, you'll see the Add or Change button. Click on it. Here we have some instructions. Now, go to your JumpTask account and click on your Profile section. And here we have JumpTask account ID. Copy it. Back to Honeygain. Paste the ID here and click on Add Account. Now, check your email for the verification code. Here. Copy the code. Paste and verify. And that's it. We've successfully connected Honeygain with JumpTask. Before you move on, don't forget to switch to JumpTask mode on your Honeygain dashboard. After that, you can see your progress inside JumpTask. Simply click on your profile icon, then open My Activities section. And here you can see your daily progress. And here, you can also see your total credits transferred to JumpTask while using JumpTask mode. Finally, you can withdraw your Jump tokens. Here in the Payout section, using BSC or Cello directly to your crypto wallet. And here are some recent payouts. Thanks for watching, mate. See you in the next one.